If I walk into that throne room, I could die. But if I stay silent, my people will die. My name is Esther, and today, I must choose. I wasn't born royal. I was an orphan Jewish girl in the Persian Empire, raised by my cousin Mordecai. We were strangers in this land, living quietly among a powerful kingdom. Then soldiers came. The king was searching for a new queen. Girls were taken across the empire. And suddenly I was one of them. After months of preparation, perfumes, and waiting, I stood before King Xerxes. Somehow, the king chose me. Me, a hidden Jewish girl, became queen, but evil was rising. A powerful man named Haman convinced the king to destroy my people, every Jewish man, woman, and child. Mordecai sent me a message that shook my heart. Who knows if you have come to the kingdom for such a time as this? But approaching the king without permission meant death. Still, I made my decision. I whispered the words that would define my life. If I perish, I perish. The entire room was silent. I stepped forward and waited. My heart was pounding so loudly I could barely breathe. Then, the king lifted his golden scepter toward me. I was spared. Now I had one chance to reveal the truth. At the banquet, I exposed Haman's evil plan. Justice came swiftly. My people were saved, and I finally understood. God places ordinary people in extraordinary moments. For a reason. Hello, my name is Esther. The reason you should know my story is because it teaches us to stand for what is right, even when it is dangerous. I was chosen to become the new Queen of Persia. Before that, I was just a young Jewish woman raised by my cousin Mordecai. No one in the palace knew that I was Jewish. One day, I heard terrible news. A powerful man named Haman had convinced the king to make a law that would allow all the Jews in the empire to be destroyed. My people, men, women, and children, were all in danger. Mordecai sent me a message that changed everything. He said that maybe I had become queen for such a time as this. But there was a problem. Anyone who approached the king without permission could be put to death, even the queen. I was afraid, but I knew I had to stand for my people, so I gathered courage and went to the king. If the first perished, I perished. When the king saw me, he extended his golden scepter and allowed me to speak. I revealed the evil plan and told him that my people were in danger. The truth was revealed, and the plan to destroy the Jews was stopped. My people were saved. So what lesson can we learn from my story today? Sometimes we are placed in a certain position for a reason. When the moment comes, we must choose courage over fear and stand for what is right, because one brave decision can save many lives. Maybe you are where you are today for such a time as this.